Hi beautiful viewers, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show us how to make suit waist chained head turban. So let's get started. Here are the material which I used: a crepe, a chiffon material, and also a sunray inches. So the next thing I did here, I folded each fabric into two and give it a sewing allowance of half. And here's the result after sewing. The next thing I did to cross each fabric together, give it a 2 knots braid. So just check out what I'm doing here. The first knot, and also I turn to the other fabric, also give it another knot. And here I'm trying to cross check each fabric, the measurements to be 9 inches, the chiffon and the sunray, because the circumference of the head I'm working with is 22. I'm going to make a knot, so I have to make sure that the measurements have to be 9 inches. So I'm just trying to cross check here if it's up to 9 inches back. So the next thing I did to take it back to the machine and sew the tip, and also fix my elastic band in my elastic casing. Forget the elastic band, you have to pin it down before you take it to the sewing machine to sew, to hold it, not to like pull out, so as not to repeat same procedure. So afterwards I took the elastic band and I tried to fix each of the tip to the elastic band, and meanwhile I make mention that the seam allowance is at the middle part of the elastic band, which is facing up. So here I have it wrapped at the middle point, and I took it back to the machine and sewed with sewing allowance of 3/4, and I have to hold it with a pin before taking it to the machine. So here we have it. And after I've sewn with 3/4 each, I'm just trying to give it a nice trim, like any edges which I don't really want. I'm just giving it a nice trim. So you can as well work with any circumference of your choice. It shouldn't be 22 exactly. You can work with 20, 21. Just make sure that you divide your head circumference inch. By the time they are through with it, the three measurements must equivalent to the circumference you are working with. I mean, the three fabrics must be equivalent to the head circumference. And also I make sure that the seam allowance for the elastic casing is at the middle side. You can as well use any of your leftover fabric, because this head wrap here is from my leftover fabric. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this video, and I'll see you all in my next fashion video. Stay blessed. Bye.